Hi everyone, it's Bryan and today we're going to take a look at my listing at 4962 Frey Way. It's located in Escena. It's a home that's 3,000 square feet, a 2-bedroom home, and it's been completely reimagined by designer Robert Levine. It has spectacular views of the eastern mountains, and it's on the perimeter road around Escena. Escena is a gated community. It's located east of the airport. There's roughly 500 homes in the community now. There are some being built still. So it's a continuing project, depends on the developer. So I want to look at this home with you and show you the improvements that have been made to the home. It's spectacular, and it's also 2 stories, which is unusual for Escena and basically Palm Springs in general. So we're going to take a look at this, and I hope you enjoy this video.
This amazing home is located on a fabulous corner lot. You get a lot of views of the mountains from the east and some unobstructed views from the west as well. Living room is gorgeous. Totally been redone, ceramic floors, tile on the fireplace, large dining room overlooking the pool, lots of light, Italian style cabinets in the kitchen with quartz countertops. Primary bedroom, very large, nice, huge primary bathroom, as well as a huge walk-in closet. We're going upstairs now, and you have this beautiful loft, which has these beautiful views facing east, large guest bathroom that's been completely remodeled. Beautiful. Here you have a view of the outside. There is a patio upstairs, powder room on the first floor, nice pool and spa. It's saltwater. Has a water feature, fire pit as well. Plenty of room for entertaining. There's 3 outdoor spaces, and this is in the back, which you have views of the mountains. It's pretty spectacular. This is the front patio area, very private. And again, you can see all the blue sky unobstructed, which is great. This is the front of the house. It's nice being on the perimeter. So you have all these great views. Also, the home has only solar, 40 panels, which keeps the home very cool in the summertime. Definitely to come and take a look at this home. You could reach me with the information here after this video. Thank you so much for watching.